So hi friends, this is Amit and in this video I will talk about VIT Triple E exam 2021. Here I will consider all your questions, provide answer in short period of time. So basically I will talk about the re-exam dates and eligibility. As you all know, the VIT is going to conduct re-exam, that is VIT Triple E exam 2021. And one more question, that is, will the cutoff go higher this year? So my answer is yes, and the reason I will provide you in this video. And I will also talk about the counseling and result date, when the counseling can start after the result is being published, and when the result will published, there will be delay in result, there will be a re-exam. So after that exam you will get your final result for all the students. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe the channel so that you will get all the information at the right time. And I will provide you information about VIT, all campuses, cutoff, placement. I have already provided you the video for VIT Vellore campus, that is placement for each branch, and placement percentage, that is out of 100 student how many student got placed in each branch. And also I have provided highest package for each branch. So try to subscribe the channel so that you will get next video also on Chennai and other campuses also. So let's start the video. So here is all the question that you have asked through Instagram, WhatsApp and comment section. So I will try to give to the point answer and in short period of time. So try to watch the video till the end so that you will get all the answer of the questions. So here is the first question, that is re-exam date. So date for the re-exam, as I am getting the information, is 10th of June. So before that you have to choose the slot for yourself, in which slot you want to appear for the exam. There will be multiple slots. So make sure that you have choose the right slot for yourself between the date, that is 5 to 8 have been allotted to choose the right slot for you. So the next is, what is the eligibility of the re-examination of VIT Triple E 2021. So the student who have not appeared but have registered for VIT Triple E exam but not appear for the exam due to some problem, server problem, or due to their personal reason, so they can appear for this exam, but they have to choose the slot between 5 to 8, then only they can appear for the exam on 10th of June. So the next question is result date, the most important question, because every student are asking for the same who have appeared for the VIT Triple E exam 2021. So as there is a re-exam is taking place on 10th of June, so the information is that the result will be published on or before 15th of June. So you can expect your result will be declared around 15th of June, and thereafter the counseling will start. So the next question is, why cutoff will go to higher rank this year? So the answer of this question is straightforward, because this is the only second counseling, that is a major counseling for BTech admission. SRM JEE counseling is going on, and next VIT Triple E counseling will happen. So I don't think the student straightforward will take the admission in this college, because they can wait, they will think about the JOSA counseling also, because all the students will appear for JEE mains exam as well. And there are some state entrance exam also, such as COMEDK, WBJE, MST CET, Gujarat Common Entrance Test. So all those counseling will takes place later this year. So student might think to get the college in later counseling. So I don't think all the students who have got a good rank in VIT Triple E exam will take the college, because it required a lot of money also, that is the fee of this college is very high. So I think the cutoff will go to higher rank compared to the last year. Because so the next question is, how the counseling will take place. So you don't need to go anywhere, you will do the counseling from your home, and all the student according to their rank will get the counseling different date. Different category rank will get different date for the counseling. So you need to attend that date only. For other dates you can be relaxed, you just need to attend the count for the given time that you will be given through the separate message or mail you will get, or you will get the information in the login page that in this time period your counseling will be done. So the next point is counseling schedule. So the counseling schedule is same as I told you, and it will start I think after 5 or 6 days of the result. So after 5 or 6 days of the result you will be asked to do the registration for the counseling, and then you will get the time. So the next is correction, whether you will able to do the correction or not if you have done any type of mistake at the time of application for the VIT Triple E exam. So yes, you can do all type of correction here in this counseling at the time of registration. So don't worry if you have done any type of mistake in your date of birth or name or parents name or address or your category, you can do the change for sure. What will be the result mode? I have already answered this question in my previous video. So if you have any more question after watching this video, please watch my previous video. In that video also I have cleared some doubt that even after that if you have more questions, you can ask in the comment section, or you can join the Instagram or WhatsApp group also. You will get both the link in the description box. So again I am answering this question, that is result mode will be only rank, you will get the rank, but internally they will use the normalization process, different type of difficulty level. So internally they will do the normalization process and calculate the percentile for each student, and then they will provide the rank. That is, you will get only rank, neither you will get percentile nor you will get the marks that are scored by you in the exam. The next point is cutoff for all category, branch wise, all campuses. So for this I will provide you a separate video. I promised this thing in last video also, but that video taking some time. So I will provide you original data, that's why I am taking so much time. So I will try to provide you the video as soon as possible, but you can be sure that you will get that video before the counseling itself. So please try to subscribe the channel so that you will get the video as soon as I upload it. So the next point is also placement detail branch wise. So placement detail branch wise I have provided for BIT Vellore campus, and there you can find the average. You can watch that video in the I button as well as in the description box. You will get the link, and I will provide similar type of video for Chennai campus and other two campus also. So please try to subscribe the channel for all the updates. So this is all about this video. Here I have discussed all your questions and provide you the answer. If you have any type of more doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can join Instagram and WhatsApp group also. You will get both the link in the description box. So please try to subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information. Thank you.